Learning how to crochet is a truly invigorating activity. The feeling of making something with your own hands for yourself or to offer to those you love is incomparable. My name is Emily. As you can hear, I'm a French Canadian from Quebec and crochet is my passion. I like to design modern patterns that are easy and pleasant to make. I'm the girl behind Crochet Minis brand, which started thanks to the Etsy platform in 2015. And I'm so happy to finally share my knowledge with you thanks to this course. It was at the age of 8 that I discovered the pleasure of crocheting, and I never thought I would be able to make a living with my passion. Thank you, 21st century internet! In this class, we'll learn the basic skills you'll need to crochet anything you want, whether you're left or right-handed. Oops. We will start with the theory very quickly. Then how to hold the hook and the yarn, the different stitches and techniques of crochet, the finishing of a project, and at the end, you will learn how to read a pattern so that you will be ready to go it on your own because there's a whole world of crochet waiting for you. What makes this course unique and successful is at the end of each lesson, a quick project will be proposed to let you practice immediately what you have just learned. And you're going to be amazed by your new skill after only one lesson. I promise you, when you're done, not only will you be comfortable crocheting whatever you want, but you'll notice all the positive effects on your mental balance and your stress. And given that the equipment is easy to bring with you, all the waiting moments will turn into relaxing moments. Are you ready? Let's start this crochet journey. Have fun and get hooked!